Okay, so for this video, we're going to integrate exponential functions. So, first off, bibigay ko muna sa inyo yung mga formula. So, integral ng e to the u is equal to e to the u plus c. And yung integral ng a to the u, a is any number. For example, pwede natin gawing 4, tapos raised to x something. Okay? So, a is a number, okay? Number. Oops. Sulat ko lang ulit. AU, may DU pala to, sorry. AU DU is equal to AU over LNA plus C. So, sa palagad tayo, let's try to apply these formulas. First example tayo, meron tayong E raised to 4x dx. So, in this situation, gagamit tayo ng use substitution ulit para maging kamukha nito. Okay? So, ang gagamitin nating U is yung nandito. Bakit? Para yan ay maging ano na lang, e to the u, tapos yung dx gagawin nating du somehow, di ba? So, kamukha na niya ito. Pero, lalagay muna natin sa equation na u is equal to 4x. So, same procedure lang doon sa u substitution. Like yung previous video, derive both side, du is equal to 4 dx. Multiply na sa dx. Isolate natin si dx, so divide both side by 4. Write ko lang, 1/4 du is equal to dx. Kasi, cancel na tong 4. Okay. So, copy ko lang, e, hindi natin pinakalaman. Yung 4x is equal to u. So, lagyan natin si u. Tapos yung dx is equal to times 1/4 du. And ilalabas natin itong 1/4 since constant lang siya, coefficient lang. So, 1/4 integral ng eu du. And ito yun. EU, integral ng EU du, e to the u du is equal daw sa e raised to u plus c. So, copy natin. 1/4 times e raised to u plus c. And ibabalik lang natin si u dito. U is equal to 4x. So, lagyan natin dito si 4x plus c. Yan na yung sagot. Okay. Next example tayo. Oh, wait lang. Dito na lang mag-example para kita yung formula. Okay. Next example, 4 raised to 3x dx. So, pupunta tayo dito sa second formula since yung a, sabi ko kanina, is a number which is yung 4. Number raised to certain something na may x. Ito po ang gagamitin. So, u sub tayo. Ang gagawin nating u is yung 3x. So, u is equal to 3x. Derive both side. Du is equal to 3 multiplied by dx. Isolate natin si dx. Divide both side by 3. Cancel si 3. Tsaka ito. Ano tira na lang is 1/3 du is equal to dx. Substitute natin. So, copy lang natin si 4. 3x is equal to u. So, lagyan natin dito si u. dx is equal to 1/3 times du. So, 1/3 du. Lipat natin si 1/3 sa unahan. So, 1/3 integral ng 4 raised to u du. So, magwalan to. Gamitin natin itong formula. 4 to u is 4 raised to u is ito. Apply lang natin daw. So, 4 raised to u over ln a, which is yung number. Ito, yung 4. So, ln 4 plus c. Simplify natin. 1 times 4 to the u is 4. Kaya ibabalik ko na si u is equal to 3x. So, 4 raised to 3x over 3 times ln 4. Sulat lang natin. Plus c. And pwede pa natin to i-simplify kasi may property ang ln na kapag mayroong number na katabi dito, which is yung 3, pwede natin siya ilipat dito sa parenthesis in a way na magiging ganito siya. Jadi, copy ko lang yung numerator, 4 raised to 3x over ln 4 raised to 3. Yung number na nasa tabi, i-raise natin sa number na nasa loob ng ln. Okay pa? And 4 raised to 3 is, copy ko lang to, ln 4, 16, 64. So, ln 64 na po siya. Plus c. Yan na po yung sagot. Okay? So, kapag ito ginagamit, yung formula, lagi nyo lang tatandaan na itong property ng ln na pwedeng ilagay yung number na nasa tabi dito as a power ng number dito. Okay? Next example tayo. Okay. Ngayon naman, 1 over e raised to 2x dx. So, use sub, ay hindi. Pwedeng taas pala muna natin to para wala na tayong fraction. Magiging e raised to negative 2x dx. Okay? And then, u sub. Ito ang gagawin nating u. Check ko lang kung nagre-record ko. Okay, good. U is equal to negative 2x. Ito. So, derive both side. Magiging du is equal to negative 2 times dx. Isolate natin si dx. Divide natin both side ng negative 2. Cancel. Cancel. Rewrite ko lang. Magiging, tataas ko yung negative sign. Negative 1 half du is equal to dx. Okay. So, p raised to u, kasi u is equal to negative 2x, ito. Tapos ang dx is equal to negative 1 half du times negative 1 half du. Ilabas natin si negative 1 half. Hindi, negative 1 half. Integral ng eu du. Based dito sa formula na to, ang integral ng e raised to u du is simply e raised to u plus c. So, negative 1 half times eu raised to c. And yung eu, sige, tanggalin ko na itong times. Papagulo lang. Yung u, ibabalik natin siya dito. Okay? So, magiging negative 1 over 2 e raised to negative 2x plus c. Pwede na yan. It's already a valid answer, pero pwede mo ring ibaba to since negative exponent, lalagyan natin sa denominator. So, yan ay equal din sa negative 1 over 2 e raised to 2x plus c. So, valid answer na ito. Valid din ito. Kahit alin dyan yung maging sagot nyo, tama parehas yan. Okay? So, next tayo. Erase ko lang. Okay, which example ay 2, oops, gusto ko white. 2 raised to 4x dx. So, u sub lang itong nasa exponent. Ito ay u. So, u is equal to 4x. Derive both side. Du is equal to 4 dx. Divide both side by 4 para ma-isolate si, x, si dx rather. So, cancel, cancel. Rewrite ko lang. 1/4 du is equal to dx. Okay, so substitute 2 raised to 4x. So, 4x is equal to u. So, magiging u na lang to. Tapos yung dx, papalitan natin ng 1/4 du times 1/4 du. Lipat si 1/4. So, 1/4. Tapos integral ng 2 raised to u du. Okay. 1/4 times a to the u, which is simply 2 raised to u over ln a. Ang a natin is yung a is equal to yun sa number given. Ito, yung 2. So, ln 2 plus c. So, pag multiply natin, pagsamahin na natin sila. So, 2 raised to u, ang u natin is 4x. So, babalik ko na siya. Raised to 4x over 4 ln 2 plus c. So, ililipat natin tong katabing number sa loob ng ln. So, magiging 2 raised to 4 yan. Magiging 2. Copy ko lang yung numerator. Tapos ln 2 raised to 4. Okay? Yung 4 din nilipat natin dito sa loob. Ginawang raised to the power 2 raised to the power of 4. Plus c. So, simplify natin. 2 raised to 4x. Ito yan. Over ln 2, 4, 8, 16. So, ln 16 plus c. Yan na po yung sagot. Okay? So, madali lang to. Itong topic ng exponential functions. So, saglit lang yung video na to, probably. Okay. So, dako naman tayo sa square root of e raised to 3x dx. So, as always, kapag merong square root, something, gagawin natin siyang fractional exponents. So, yan ay magiging e raised to 3x over 2. Kasi, di ba, pag square root, lagi may invisible. Pero, yeah. Unahin natin to, yung 3x, over yung nandito, 2. Plus dx. So, u sub tayo. U is equal to 3x over 2. So, derive both side. Du is equal to 3 over 2. Iiwalay natin. Since, pag nagde-derive, magiging nx, n minus 1. Yung n is yung 3 over 2. So, iiwalay na lang natin. 3 over 2. Tapos yung x, simply 1 na lang yon. So, yan na lang. Tapos times sa dx. Divide both side ng 3 over 2 para ma-isolate si dx. Cancel, cancel. Tapos ito yung may na fraction. Tataas natin, magre-reciprocal siya. So, magiging 2/3 siya. du is equal to dx. Okay. So, substitute e raised to u times yung dx, which is, sabi dito, 2/3 du. Lipat si 2/3 dito. So, 2/3. Integral ng eu du. So, simply e raised to u plus c. E raised to u plus c Tapos, ibabalik natin yung value ng u. So, e raised to u, which is ito, 3x over 2. 3x over 2 plus 3. Yan na po yung sagot. Pwede rin gawin yung ganito, pero okay na yun. Okay. So, I think last example na. Dako na tayo sa last example. Dali lang naman kasi ito. So, e raised to x cube times x squared. Paglapit dito konti. Dx. Okay. So, u sub lang tong x cube natin. Okay pa? So, u is equal to x cube. Derive both side. Ang derive ng x cube is 3x squared times dx. So, isolate natin si dx as always. So, divide both side ng 3x squared. So, cancel, cancel. Rewrite ko lang 1 over 3x squared du is equal to dx. And substitute na natin dito. So, integral ng e to the u x squared times yung dx, which is ito, 1 over 3x squared du. So, may makakancel tayo? Yes. Makakancel natin itong x squared tsaka yung x squared dito para wala na x. Yun na lang ang natitira. And ilalabas natin itong 1/3. So, 1/3 integral ng e to the u du, which is simply e raised to u plus c. And ibabalik natin yung value ng u, which is e raised to u. U is equal to x cubed. So, ayan. X cubed plus c. Ayan na po yung sagot. Okay.